Moving to Germany as an expat is an incredible milestone, but it also comes with a mountain of bureaucracy. And one of the very first things you need to figure out is where to put your money. You've probably heard of big names like Sparkasse, Deutsche Bank, or Commerzbank. But you've also likely seen digital alternatives like N26 everywhere. So which one should you actually choose? Choosing the wrong bank in Germany can cost you hundreds of euros a year in hidden fees, trap you in a language barrier, and leave you drowning in physical paperwork. In this video, we are going to do a deep, honest comparison between traditional German banks and neobanks. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one fits your expat lifestyle perfectly and how to avoid the most common financial traps. Welcome back to Faria Finanzen, your financial partner abroad. If you want to master personal finance and build wealth as an expat, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Let's start with the traditional, old-school German institutions. These are the physical banks with branches on almost every corner. The advantage: the biggest benefit of a traditional bank is physical presence. If you need a mortgage, a massive loan, or if you prefer talking to a human being face-to-face in an office, traditional banks offer that infrastructure. Also, they provide a sense of old-school familiarity. The reality check. But here is the harsh truth for expats. First, the language barrier. Most brick-and-mortar banks in Germany operate almost exclusively in German. Trying to understand a complex banking contract or resolving an emergency over the phone in German when you just arrived can be incredibly stressful. Second, the fees. Traditional banks love maintenance fees. You might pay anywhere from 5 to 15 euros every single month just to keep the account open. On top of that, they often charge you for physical debit cards, credit cards, or even for withdrawing cash from an ATM that doesn't belong to their specific network. And let's not forget the paper trail. They still love sending physical letters home for every minor notification. This brings us to modern digital banks, or neobanks. These institutions were built from scratch for the digital age, and they have completely revolutionized how expats manage money. Why are they so popular among foreigners? First, they are 100% English-friendly. From the initial sign-up process to the mobile app interface and the customer support, everything is in English. This completely eliminates the anxiety of misunderstanding your own finances. Second, they have zero hidden fees. Since they don't have to pay for expensive physical branches on every street, they pass those savings on to you. You get a fully functional German checking account with a free virtual card, zero monthly maintenance fees, and free ATM withdrawals. But let's address the elephant in the room. Is your money safe in a digital bank? In Germany, the answer is a resounding yes, as long as you choose a fully licensed institution. For instance, a bank like N26 holds a full European banking license. This means your hard-earned money is legally protected up to 100,000 euros by the German Deposit Protection Scheme. Exactly the same as if it were sitting in the oldest, biggest bank in Frankfurt. You get all the modern flexibility without sacrificing an ounce of security. But neobanks don't just save you money on fees. They actually help you manage it better. Traditional banks usually give you one big pile of money, where your rent, groceries, and savings are all mixed up. Modern platforms like N26 solve this with features called spaces. These are essentially sub-accounts inside your main bank that act like digital piggy banks. You can create a space for your emergency fund, another one for your upcoming vacation, and one for your future investment capital. You can even set up rules to automatically move a percentage of your salary into these spaces the exact day you get paid. It makes budgeting completely automatic, visual, and headache-free, which is essential if you want to start building wealth abroad. So what's the final verdict? If you are an expat who needs a complex commercial mortgage, prefers physical branch service in fluent German, traditional banks might be your choice. But if you are an expat who wants a bank that speaks your language, charges zero hidden fees, sets up in less than 10 minutes, neobank like N26 is the clear winner. If you want to secure your financial foundation in Germany today, I've made it incredibly easy for you. I left the official N26 sign-up link in the description. It takes less than 10 minutes to open. It's 100% in English. If this comparison was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Faria Finanzen. Let me know in the comments. Are you currently using a traditional German bank, or have you already switched? Thank you for watching. Welcome to our financial community, and I will see you in the next video. Tschüss!